Good evening. I am Carlos Minarecha, and this is Behind the Noise.
Today's episode of Behind the Noise uncovers the publicly concealed personality of controversial television personality Charles Ray Ray. He had no idea his driver, Charles Newjeans, was taking part in the hidden camera experiment.
Could you not have waited until we got to the party before you started drinking?
I'm gonna say one thing about this world. You get up in the morning, you have to eat a red fish. Then you have to take a piss for 5 minutes.
You eat fish for breakfast?
No, then you take a piss.
Okay, what do you do after that?
What do you win? What do you win?
After the fish and pee.
When?
What?
Face Off.
So,
The movie. Kick your ass f***ing movie.
you know, a lot of people hate that movie.
A lot of people hate that movie.
Right.
No, but it was a true story.
No, it wasn't.
Nah, it wasn't. I know the best parts of every couch.
I believe you.
How come you always get to drive?
Let's not talk about it.
You don't know the first f***ing thing about me.
Why are you getting angry?
I have a right to say racial slurs. It's freedom and it's here to stay.
Chill with the language.
Just say the words and we'll beat those birds down to Acapulco Bay.
Is this it?
It's perfect for a flying honeymoon, they say.
Are you listening to me?
Nope!
Okay, now we're lost. I have no idea where we are. Stop. No.
Right?
I am trying to drive here.
How come people always gotta say what I'm gonna say?
What?
You have got to stop at Burger King.
No, we're gonna be late. We don't have time.
I'm gonna set this car on fire.
Alright, calm down.
In this f***ing city, they got rules about what kind of cat you like.
What does that mean?
You should see the look on your face.
Okay.
You know what I say? Some guys look at this glass, say, that glass is half empty. Some guys look at this glass, say, that glass half full. I bet you was a half glass, half empty, half full kind of guy, wouldn't you say?
You are utterly wrong.
What you call me?
I didn't call you anything.
Why you hate Chinese people, Rick?
It's Charlie.
No, it's Panda.
Panda?
Pandemonium!
Damn it! Come on! Thank you. I don't have to sneeze. What's the matter?
I never learned how to read.
Look, we don't have to go to this if you don't want to.
Hey, I love you.
Okay, pal.
That smells like dirt and eggs.